Want to learn how to count characters in Excel? I'll show you how to do it with a single formula, just like this. Here you have a table with different texts and you want to know how many characters each one has. Type in equals Len. All it needs is to know which cell to look at. Pick your first text. Close your function, hit enter, and there you go. It says 12 characters. If you drive the formula down, you'll see some interesting cases. But before we go on, hit the subscribe button because every week, I'm going to give away a complete Excel course worth $300 to 10 of my subscribers. Now, let's continue. For this text, it says 5 characters, but there are only 4 numbers. Why? Because there's a decimal point, and they count as characters too. What about the text below? It says 19 characters, but there are only 10 numbers. Why? Because spaces between numbers count too. The next text says 10 characters with only 9 letters. What's the extra character? Look closely. There's a space at the end. This tool helps you find sneaky mistakes that can mess up your formulas, like when you want to extract part of the text with the mid function. But that's magic for another video, which I'll link up here. See you there!